Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how you can insert logo in CapCut. So first you need to open up a project which you would like to insert your logo into. Then you need to go to media and import. So here you either click on import and just look for the file, look for the logo you would like to upload on your computer, or you can also drag the logo in here from Google Chrome downloads or from anywhere on your computer. Just drag it into this area of the imported items. Or now that we imported the logo, we're just gonna drag the logo over the video like that. And as you can see now, we have the logo over the video, so you need to drag it over. If I drag it under the video, it's not gonna be visible. And here we can actually just choose the position. You can either change the size with dragging or with video basic and scale. So now as you can see, it's not visible because it's black. So what you can do to change the color, first you click on the logo, then you go to adjustment. And then here you have this color wheel. You're gonna be on basic and then you have this color wheel, and just check in the color wheel, and here you can just choose the color of the shadows and the midtones. But now we only have like one tone with this logo, so we're gonna choose a color which is visible. For example, I kind of like this color, and we just make the size smaller, and we can just use it on the top left corner, for example, of the video. And now if you play the video, it's gonna be over the video. If you want it to be less visible, you just click on the logo, go to video, go to blend, open up this blend with the arrow, and here you have the opacity, and you can change that up. As you can see, it looks better with like half the opacity. Alright, so all in all, this is how to insert logo in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.